Welcome to the Hemlock Working Locally video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to work with a Hemlock project on your local computer, as opposed to in Github. I assume you already have a Python distribution installed. I recommend Anaconda. I also assume that you already have Git installed, and that you can work with a Z shell or bash terminal like Git bash. If you're coming here from the Getting Started video, you should already have a GitHub repository based on the Hemlock template. So first, we're going to copy the repository URL and open our terminal. Next, we're going to clone the GitHub repository onto our local machine by typing git clone and then pasting the repository URL. This is going to clone the repository into a folder by the same name as the repository. So if we type cd hemlock-test, we'll be in the repository on our local computer. Now it's time to create a virtual environment. We're going to type conda create --name hemlock-test. We're going to specify a version of Python, for example, 3.8.12, and we're going to install Kernel. Now we're going to activate our environment by typing conda activate hemlock-test. Now we need to pip install the requirements. So we'll type pip install -r requirements.txt. We also need to install a kernel so that we can use this virtual environment in our Jupyter notebooks. To do this, we type python-m ipykernel install --user --name hemlock-test. Now let's open this project in Visual Studio Code. We'll type code space period. Our main survey file is in source/init.py. We can see that we have a survey with 2 pages. The 0th page has a label saying Hello World. The first page has a label saying Goodbye World with a back button. To run the survey on our local machine, we go back to our terminal and type python app.py. Now we can see that the app is running on localhost 5000. So if we open our browser and we open a new tab and type localhost 5000, we can see our app running. The 0th page says Hello World. We go forward, and the first page says Goodbye World. Now you know how to work with a Hemlock project locally. Good luck, and thanks for using Hemlock.